All right, guys, so I'm just showing a portion of the portfolio. I wanted to show you the power of automatic investing. Look at FSPGX. You can see I have a total cost basis, which means the total amount of money I've invested into the fund at $8,349. I have a cost base of $25.21, and currently it is up 29.46%. What I want you to realize is that all I've done is buy $100 every single week since 2022. Just buying $100, putting spare change in when I can, has netted me a 29% return so far. I'm not doing anything special. I'm just buying an index fund every single week. I don't even look at the price, it just buys. And the market has gone up over time, and now I'm up 29%. Whereas here, I started buying some YouTube stocks, like using the YouTube money to buy some individual stocks, and I'm in the red for everything else. Now, it doesn't mean that this is going to be in the red over the long term, but index funds, dollar cost averaging, I'll show you how to do the automatic investments. I just think it's unbeatable. Let's go over the activities and orders so you can see how I'm doing this. So when I first started buying FSPGX, it was in 2022, December 15th. And I just started buying little bits and pieces where I bought some quantities. I'm 11 shares, 0.076 shares, 1 share, 3 shares, 3 shares. And over the time, as you can see, from 2022 all the way to 2023, and then continuously dollar cost averaging all the way up to 2024, as you can see here, my average total gain is 29.47% when you add all of this together. So it just goes to show you that you don't need to be a genius. You just need to be disciplined and save your money and invest it long term. So on Fidelity, you can go under Activities and Orders. I typed in the symbol FSPGX right here, clicked on Year to Date, and you can already see that one of my automatic investments is already set to trigger to buy $100 on April 6th. Today's Sunday, so it's going to buy Monday at the close. But as I scroll down, you will see that every purchase is every Monday, from April 1st, March 25th, to the 18th, to the 11th, the 4th, the 27th, etc. It is just transferring over $100 and then buying more shares every single week. So year to date, this is the plan. I'm not doing anything special. I'm just continuously dollar cost averaging, and this large cap growth fund is at all-time highs. But to me, it doesn't matter. I'm going to continue to buy this for another 20 years. So you just have to keep buying and buying and buying. And then over time, it will even out because you're going to buy more shares when the index fund goes down. You'll buy less shares when it goes up. But overall, it's a great strategy just to dollar cost average. So now I'm going to show you how I'm doing this. On the Fidelity website, under search, I type in automatic. So you'll see automatic on the top right. And this will allow you to buy index funds every week or every month if you want to. And then you'll see your scheduled transfers. And I have a video on this dedicated to it, so I'll post it at the end of the video. It's just for easy's sake. So right here, manage scheduled transfers. And it will show you if you have any recurrent activity. As you can see, currently I have FSPGX to buy every single month. But let's just do this. So we'll have create new activity, investment, and then this ticker box. Since we're doing mutual funds, you have to click your account. Then you have to put in your symbol that you want to invest in. So we'll do FNILX, which is the Fidelity Large Cap Zero Index Fund. Type in, let's say, $50. Put in the frequency that you want, weekly, every 2 weeks, monthly. For these purposes, we'll put weekly. You have to put the day that you wanted to invest on. So let's say we did every Monday. And then you can put an optional end date if you want on it as well. And if you want to make this even easier, what I've noticed, after you type in your symbol, whether it was a stock, ETF, mutual fund, what you can do is you can just link the bank account. So if you just click this, it links the bank account that you have attached to Fidelity, and it'll pull it from your bank account. So you don't need to have a account like a cash balance in one of your taxable or Roth accounts or rollover IRA. So I use my linked bank account where I normally transfer money to Fidelity over. So every Monday or Sunday, it'll just transfer over overnight into the account, and it'll buy at the next business day. And just remember, when you buy like index funds, like I was buying FSPGX, that growth fund, it's going to buy at the close of that day. So if I selected Monday, it's gonna buy at 4 p.m., but you won't see it actually fill on your order list until about 8:30, 9 p.m. All right, guys, thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, be sure to check out my other playlists. I have one dedicated just to Fidelity, the index funds, and ETFs, where you could consider what you would invest in long term. I have different ones on energy, the large cap growth fund that we just reviewed, small cap index funds. I also have a Fidelity video how to invest and change your dividends so they just always reinvest back in, and that's on the Fidelity website. You have the real estate for index fund, you have semiconductors for Fidelity. This is the video how to set up automatic investments right here. And it says it right in the title to make it easy for you just to find. And then the total market index fund, plenty of things at Fidelity. Just go check it out. I'm sure you'll find something of use. And feel free to, comment, subscribe, hit that like button.